Hello friends, now we are going to solve numerical 1 based on sequence network. The given question is draw per unit positive, negative and zero sequence network of a given circuit. So we have the given circuits and the connection of transformer as well as generators has been given, and positive impedance, negative impedance and zero sequence impedance has been given for each of the element. So now we have to draw positive, negative and zero sequence network. First I am approaching positive sequence network. So if I will draw the positive sequence network of generator, so it will be like there will be one impedance xg1, and here it will be one voltage ea, you can say. As I have discussed, this is the sequence network of generator, and here it will be simply represented by xt1, then again xl1, all the positive sequence value xt1, and here it will be two synchronous motors are, so it will have voltage because these are the synchronous motor, and here the circuits will look like this. So it will be ea1 motor number and this will be eb1. So these are the positive sequence network. And now if we will draw the negative sequence network, what we will do, only we will remove the voltage of the generator and directly we can write all the impedances values. So negative sequence network, when we will draw, we will not draw the voltage for the generator. So this will be xg2, this will be xt2, this will be xl2, this will be xt2, and here it will be xa2 and xb2, xa2 and xb2. Now the problem arises when we will draw the zero sequence network. Starting from the generator of zero sequence network, this generator has been solidly grounded. So we will represent at least impedance and we will close the switch here present. So this point, let us assume this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. So this point will be first. Now for the generator. For generator, delta star connection. So I am representing the whole switch here as we have mentioned. This will be xt0, and here the series switch will look like this. And in case of transformer, our primary side of transformer is delta connected, so we will close the switch directly here, and the star point is solidly grounded, so it will be closed like this here, and this will remain open. Now for the transmission line same reactance xl0, and again the transformer, this point is 1 and this point is 2. Again the transformer come. For the transformer we know again the rule. Here the same delta connected, so it will be closed, and here it is star connected, so it will be closed. So now coming to all the motors, this is very important point. A motor is not grounded, so what will we do, this will be open circuited here, and B is star grounded, so it will come in the circuit right now. So this will be represented by xb0, this will be open circuited xa0, and here this is the whole zero sequence network of the given circuit.